The next generation facility makes it possible for us to work with higher productivity, stable quality control, and less labor cost. SPG's high-precision products are in the center of it all. Already there in the future, SPG.